Welcome to a walkthrough of Sirius Online Teacher Reports. In the Reports tab, teachers have access to two different types of performance reports, a standards report and a course report. Let's start with the course report. Select a class to view their report. Course reports use a table of contents view, with each assignment serving as a row. Let's click Details to see student performance. Each column represents a student. When you roll over their initials, you see their full name. Student performance is indicated by three colors. Red is beginner, yellow is competent, and green is advanced. Dark gray indicates assignments that have not yet been made or graded. These three stoplight colors make it easy to identify weaknesses by student or by assignment. Let's examine a student in more detail. Next to Aaron's performance is the class average, so it's easy to compare Aaron by assignment with the class. Let's go back to the report's home screen to look at the standards report. You can do that by using the breadcrumb trail at the top, or click the reports button to get to the home screen. Let's look at the standards report for the same class. Once we open the report, we'll notice that instead of assignments on the left, we're looking at TEKS. Students are in the columns, just like before, and standards reports use the same four performance levels as the STAR test: does not meet, approaches, meets, and masters grade level. The gray color indicates when there's not enough data. Just like in the course report, when you roll over a standard, the full text will pop up. It will also indicate whether it's readiness or supporting, and a weight. Sirius gives a numerical weight for each assessed standard. This represents the frequency it will have on the actual STAR test. What this means is that the summary score in the top row is not a simple average, but a weighted average. This better describes a student's likely performance on the actual STAR test. Standards reports also include filters. Right now we're looking at the All Standards view, but we also have reporting categories that organize TEKS in the same categories as STAR. Notice that all of the standards within that report category are rolled up. These averages are weighted averages based on the importance of its constituent TEKS. So these reflect the reporting category results for an actual STAR test. Let's look at the clusters and subclusters. The clusters are subdivided into subclusters. The clusters and subclusters organize the TEKS into logical instructional chunks so that closely related TEKS can be analyzed together to create a focused remediation plan. Each cluster and subcluster also includes a weighted value based on the standards it contains. The last filter is just a full list of the readiness standards, followed by the supporting standards. We've also divided up readiness standards into breakouts. These breakouts are practical for instructional purposes, so you can discern exactly what parts of readiness standards students might be having trouble with. This completes the walkthrough of the Sirius Teacher Performance Reports. Thanks for watching, and we wish you and your students success.